Universe, as we know it, consists of atoms, birds, plants, rocks, planets, stars, galaxies, and us. Rest all is dark. What is hidden in the darkness of the universe? Are there any particles, or is it just empty? Keep watching this video to understand what lies in the darkness of the universe. The ordinary matter, also called baryonic matter, the matter which we know, accounts for less than 5% of the total universe. About 25% is dark matter and the rest 70% is dark energy. The main difference between the baryonic matter and the dark matter is that the dark matter and dark energy do not interact with light or any other electromagnetic radiation, which means they are far from our reach physically. Till now, we don't have any instrument which can detect them, and hence we hardly know anything about them. What we know is that they exist, but are we sure about that? In 1929, Edwin Hubble observed that the universe is expanding, and in 1998, scientists Saul Perlmutter, Adam Riess, and Brent Smith discovered that it is not just growing, the growth is even accelerating, means expanding faster than earlier. But what is separating us with this speed? Something is fishy. We all know about the falling apple story. Yeah, the gravity. Obviously not the movie. Gravity is something which keeps us bound. Not to your ex though, but if only gravity exists, then from the initial force of the Big Bang, the universe should expand. Then stop expanding after some time due to gravity. And then the expansion should start deaccelerating. Like when we throw a ball in the air, it first accelerates and then deaccelerates due to gravity. After some time, it starts receding to Earth. Similarly, the expansion of the universe should deaccelerate instead of acceleration. But from the observations, the universe is expanding with increasing speed. The cause of such expansion is only possible if something stronger than the force of gravity exists and stretches the universe, and hence scientists theorized it as dark energy. Also, Einstein's theory of gravity allows repulsive gravity if there is some stronger matter which has high but negative pressure. It is this strange matter that is called dark energy. So if the universe is expanding with acceleration, then why do galaxies exist? They should break apart. You will say that this is due to gravitational pull, but that is only half of the truth. Scientists observed that the amount of ordinary matter in any galaxy is not enough to keep it like that, and the most of the space in universe is empty, hence less gravity. So why is it not breaking apart? That's because of dark matter, which like gravity pulls things together. So what do we know? We know that the dark energy and dark matter exist. Dark energy repels and dark matter pulls inward. Also, while dark energy shows itself only on the entire universe uniformly, dark matter exerts its influence on individual galaxies as well as the universe at large. They do not interact with light and other electromagnetic radiation, but they do interact with gravity. Our universe contains the dark matter and dark energy, billions of galaxies, billions of solar systems, and millions of planets like the tiny Earth. With us, who wonder how all this works. On the bright side, we know that the two darks exist, and on the mysterious side, we still wonder what are they made up of.